To do another video for y'all. Okay, y'all, I got an oldie but goodie, because this is a wig that I wanted, but it was always sold out. And then I seen somebody wear it recently, and I was like, oh, I gotta buy that wig. So this is Outre's lace front wig, Dominican blowout straight. Yes, I've wanted this one for a minute. Because I think this one came out around the time like Nisha then was popping, and now Nisha's popping again. Okay, but because Nisha bomb wig, don't get me wrong, but I really did want this wig back in the day, and it was always sold out. And then you just forget about the wig because it's always sold out. And now they have it, and I couldn't wait. So I have her in a number 4 color. Look at that. I know y'all be like, shut up, girl. You ain't, yeah, right. But, yes. She's really, really pretty. Her texture is kind of reminding me of Kiari right now. But this is pretty. Let me put it on. I'm excited. Let me tell y'all the specs, because I'm excited. Okay, this is, of course, a lace front wig with the lace part. It has the 2 combs in the front. It got a salt packet in there. It got baby hairs in the back. I don't know, maybe just short hair in the back. But of course, it has adjustable straps with the comb in the back. So I'm excited. I can't wait to put this on. So I'll be right back. Okay, we back with this wig on, and she is pretty. She's silky. I wasn't expecting her to be silky, y'all. I really wasn't. I haven't seen a review on the Dominican Blowout in a long time, but I just knew when I seen it, I was like, ooh. I saw someone on Instagram wear it. I can't even remember to shout them out, but yeah, I thought it was going to be a more yucky texture. But this is really silky, like really silky. It's almost like if you got a Nisha and you flat ironed her to, you know, slim her out. But this is really pretty. That part is really, really dense, but this is an older unit, you guys. I don't know when this wig came out, but it's been a minute. You know what I mean? It's been quite a long time. But she's still pretty. Let me put some powder in this part. So it can look somewhat okay. Okay, that look a little better. A little better. Not good, but a little better. I would still probably pluck this part. Is she tangling? Yes. But she is very soft, and she's pretty, and she's a sleek style. So, is she big head friendly? Yes. I got a lot of room in here. a lot of room. But she is really pretty. She's effortless, and she's straight. She's all one length. There's no layers in her at all. She's just one straight length. This is pretty hat hair. You know, like when you put the fedora on your head. I don't have one right now. But you put the fedora on your hair and it's just pretty and straight. This is what I see with that. Like, I would love to put layers in here and curl her on up. And then again, I have another wig. Like, I'm more than sure there's a wig like that already. But it's really, really pretty. It's straight, very straight. I mean, I knew it was gonna be straight. I know I sound dumb, like it's straight, duh. It's just really silky. I honestly thought she was gonna have some texture to her, or be a little thicker than this, cause I don't know. I just remember her looking a little bit like Misha, but obviously I was wrong. She's just nice and sleek. She's probably around, let's say 20, 22 inches maybe. She go like right under the boob, like she like bra strap length. So let me say like 24. But she's pretty. I'll wear her. I don't know where or when, because I'm not really into really long hair. Usually I end up cutting them. I'm sorry, I do. But this is really pretty, and she's effortless too. You are going to have to do something to that part. It looked nice though. Once I put the powder in it, it looks much better than it did before, but I will definitely end up plucking this wig. And pretty much what I do is I take like little strands and just, you know, twist it around. And they eventually just slide on out. Yeah. But that's pretty much it on this one. She's pretty, she's sleek. She's not tangling. She's not shedding either. No shedding. That's good. No shedding. To say she's this long. She is tangling, but no shedding. So I don't know if this could be a club wig or you going out and do something special. This probably would be another sit down wig, so it don't tangle so much, but it's not tangling as much as others. So that's pretty much it for Miss Dominican Blowout. Like, she's really pretty. I don't know where I would wear her, but she's pretty. I'll figure it out. I bought it, so I'm gonna figure it out. She's still real pretty though. But that's it. If you like this wig, let me know in the comment section. All of the details for this wig and the wig I had on previously will be in the description box. Let me know what you like, what you don't like about it. You know what I'm saying? I'm cool. And I want to thank you all for supporting me. You guys have been great people, and everybody who leaves a comment is always so positive. Thank you. I mean, there's a few negative ones in there, but y'all can't with me. So, anywho, that's cool. But for the people who are positive on my channel, I thank you, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for being engaged, and I will see you in the next one.